Welcome to Maths with a Somnolful. In this tutorial, we are going to solve a problem on the board which says that QRS is a triangle with QS 12 meters, QS 12 meters, and angle in RQS, that's angle in Q, is 30 degrees, and angle in QRS is 45 degrees, that's the angle in R. We are told to calculate the length RS. So we are actually looking for this side. To solve it, we are going to solve it using sine rule. Sine rule says that A over sine A is equal to B over sine B, and that's equals to C over sine C. Okay? Where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle, and angle and A, B, and C, the capital letters, are the angles in the what? Triangle with respect to their positions. Acute and obtuse angled triangle. One length and all the angles must be given. Two sides must be given, and two sides must be given, and the angles that are opposite to the sides. One is two angles and one of the side opposite to the one of the given angles. So here, for us to use the sine rule, we are given angle in Q, which is 30 degrees, and we are actually looking for the opposite sides. And we are also given 45 degrees, and we are always given the what? The what? Missing. Okay. We have already been given the what? Sides. So we are going to use Q over sine Q is equal to what? R over sine R. So here we have it that Q is X over sine Q is 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is equal to, the next one is R, right? R is 12 meters. We have it as 12 over sine 45 degrees. So for us to get the value of X, what do? We cross and what? Multiply. So we have it that X sine 45 degrees is equal to 12 sine 30 degrees. Okay? So to get this, you see that 12 sine 30 degrees, you have it that X, you have it that sine 45 degrees is basically root 2 over 2 times root 2 over 2 is equal to 12 sine 30 is half times half. 2 is 1, 2 is 6. So we have it that X times root 2 is X root 2 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So what do we do to get X? This is over 1. I cross and multiply. If I cross and multiply, what do I have? I have that X root 2 is equal to 12. 6 times 2 is 12. Divide by root 2 and divide by root 2. If I divide by root 2, I have it that X is equals to what? We rationalize this root 2 over 2, root 2. So that we have it as 12 root 2. We have it as 12 root 2 over root 2 times root 2 is 2. So that if you divide, 2 divided is 1, 2 divided is 6. So basically, we have that X is equals to what? 6 root 2 meters. And this is the value for X. Share to friends that hate maths. Bye-bye.